Welcome to our channel. Welcome to another one of our videos. This Saturday we'll go live again at 1000 hours. If you missed our live presentation yesterday, you go ahead and review that video right after this video. Tilray went up 4.68% on Friday. All the indices went up about 2% respectively on Friday as well. Shorts side of the house has increased up to almost 14% short interest. The previous short interest was 72,200,000 and it jumped up to 74,900,000 based on last report of 7/31. First article we're going to cover is legalization in EU update. The EU is the midst of a major shifting in cannabis legalization processes. Full legalization for recreational use could be right around the corner, but it's not guaranteed yet. Tilray will likely be the biggest winner of this market. Then they talk about back in July 15th, we covered that. They were starting the legalization process. Nothing is in stone yet, because they were talking about the public health and the public security side of the house that they're still negotiating. So it's hard to understate the importance of group of countries coming together and agreeing that current legalization structures governing marijuana needs to change to account for both practical realities and economic potential, so they can tax it, so they can create more income in those countries. Then they talk about advance of legalizations already generating revenue. Tilray controls currently 20% of the slice of medical marijuana market, which along with its European subsidiaries helped to drive more than 53.8 million in international revenue from cannabis products in its 2022 fiscal year. But investors should be aware that Tilray isn't a perfect company, even if it has a massive catalyst on the horizon. We'll go through this article here, and then we also have unusual activity. We also have the chart to go through in our positions. The U.S. is a $100 billion opportunity based on our CEO. Article came out today at 8 a.m. The U.S. market for cannabis is staggering. According to Tilray, even as it awaits a green light from Congress, the U.S. is a $100 billion opportunity in cannabis. If you look at cannabis today, in the U.S., 93% of Americans want medical cannabis legalized, and about 63% or 65% want adult use. It's legal in about 33 states plus DC. As one of the largest growers of marijuana in the world today, Tilray is looking to expand its market share by focusing on recreational and medical use cannabis. But the opportunities aren't constrained to the drug. There is also a market for cannabis adjacent products in categories such as food, personal care products, and drinks. He further stated that what will happen once the U.S. legalizes, the big companies like Nestle's and Unilever's will want to be into cannabis business because they know Gen Z, millennials, that's very much what they want. So I'm going to go ahead and place this article down below as well. Unusual activity, the weeklies. Look at that, 8,000 options on the 4-strike price for calls. And again at the 450s, 6,500. And then at the 5-strike price is 3,000. The chart is telling us that we're just going sideways. One thing good is over the last couple of days, the bottom's been the 385s. It's been holding each day. It drops down to 385 and it stops there. And then the next day it goes back up and then it comes back down. So we're going in a small band right now. A 385s all the way up here to about the 430. So that's a good thing. At least we're not down here in the 326s. Our closed positions here, that's all in green. We did pretty good so far this last week. Look at these profits we picked up. 66, 250, 280. Yeah, this was a protection trade, so it's going to be a minus 40. CHPT paid us again for 644. Coin, that paid us 223, and it was a protection trade. And what happened was they had to buy my shares at $101. CHPT paid us again, $376. SoFi, minus 41. It was a protection. PayPal, I got out of it too quick. It jumped back up. That should have been a positive. Still in Coinbase for this next week. I'm also in this unusual activity, MNST. for this next week. SLV, we picked up 102. That was unusual activity before. CHPT, another $387. Disney paid us $358. Thank you, Disney. SLV still have a short position out for September 16th. NTR picked up $256. Thank you. Sunrun gave us $209. Those were unusual activity as well. The future unusual activity was KMI that we're currently in, based on Friday. Vero jumped up so quick. We took our $279 off the table because we don't know what the future is going to be there. Zone, we still have that for January. PBR, we took our profits at $349. Thank you for the cash. And AEM, we still have it outstanding. It's not due until the 20th of January. So in our totals, so the pluses and minuses, came out to $5,226 for the first 2 weeks of August. That gives us $67.12 that we have to pay taxes on. And our net profits after the pluses and minuses is $3,487 for 2 weeks. Appreciate everybody watching our video. Place your questions and comments down below. Please smash that like button and subscribe to our channel so you can get future videos. Until next time, folks, you guys take care. This is Sunny. I'm out.